Changing the wheels on the left assembly. Move the lamp and clear off your CabKing. Slide the splash guards into the up position. Slide the drip pans backwards. Put the wrench on the shaft flange. Hold it steady while turning the wheel assembly towards yourself and slide off. Loosen the lap adapter with the wrench. Turn the adapter clockwise to loosen and remove. Switch out the wheels needing replacement. Replace spacers and wheels in the same order. Turn the adapter counterclockwise to tighten. Slide assembly back into place. Rotate the wheel assembly away from yourself to tighten. Hand tightening is okay as the parts will self-tighten. Slide the drip pans back into place.